Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I will be showing you guys how you can create an inactive voice channel on Discord. So you don't need to own the server or have the permission to do so. Select the create channel button and select voice channel. You can name it AFK, sleep, inactive. I'm just going to name mine inactive, create channel. Actually, just do that, sorry. And then you're going to go to like the server name, go to server settings. And here is where you're going to select the channel. So select the inactive voice channel or whatever you named it. Select the inactive timeout. So for instance, if somebody's been AFK for 15 minutes, they'll get kicked out to that channel from another voice channel. So for instance, I chose 5 minutes, save changes. And if I'm in a voice channel for 5 minutes and I don't respond or I'm AFK, it's going to take me to the inactive voice channel and I will be muted by the server instantly. And yeah, that is it. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share. Also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching.